humidity is incredible. The corrosion on these steel supports suggests this section has been flooding for decades.
Look at this. It's a military issue crate. This could be significant.
The paint is heavily oxidized, but underneath we can still make out the original ordnance markings. You can see the Luftwaffe markings underneath all this debris. It's in remarkable condition considering the location.
This section confirms the serial number we found in the archives. It's definitely the one we've been looking for.
We used the low speed setting to avoid shearing the head. There we are, success. The ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to remove the deep corrosion built up over decades underwater. And just like that, the grime separates from the contacts. The cavitation bubbles are doing their job. After 70 years underwater, these parts are finally ready for analysis. The laser ablation technique allows us to remove centuries of corrosion without damaging the underlying structure. As you can see, the laser reveals the original surface beneath the rust, a crucial step in preserving the artifact. The scanner is crucial for documenting the exact dimensions of this bakelite knob before we attempt any repairs. The corrosion data is vital.
Let's see what the cathode emission looks like. It's reading strong. It's reading strong.
Absolutely beautiful. Military spec, brand new in the box. This is exactly what we needed to get her flying again.
Securing the new wiring is crucial, especially after the extensive corrosion analysis we performed on the salvage.
That should keep the moisture out. Perfect seal.
this SCR-299 radio. Securing the threaded collar is crucial for waterproofing these old military sets. That should give us a solid connection.
Bring it up easy, watch the starboard side.
The corrosion is heavy here, but the structure is intact. It's alive. I can't believe it, after all these years underwater.
Maintain power at 12 volts. I'm picking up a repeating sequence through the interference. Assistance needed. We are losing power. Coordinates are. And so the squadron returned, against all odds, their mission accomplished deep behind enemy lines. This is the BBC calling. A strong signal from occupied territory.
The painstaking process of restoring the radio chassis is complete. Another piece of aviation history brought back from the deep. Organization is key when dealing with recovered technology. Every component, down to the copper wiring, tells a part of the story. We meticulously catalog every wire and component, ensuring nothing is lost during the reconstruction phase. This anti-static solution is crucial for these older components. We have to be very careful not to damage the original finish while removing the marine layer. The forensic examination of the wreckage is painstaking work, often taking days to clear a single section. After nearly 1,000 hours of work, the receiver is finally ready for display. The recovery of the aircraft was just a beginning. Now, the real work of piecing history back together starts here.